Hey guys, so today I'm just gonna do a little easy how-to. I'm gonna show you guys how to install a shift knob on a 2019 Honda Civic Si, and let's get it started. All right, so this is gonna be the one we're installing. It is a Perrin weighted shift knob. It comes a nice little pouch, and it comes with a couple things. Just a little booklet. I haven't read it yet. It comes with the little Allen wrench that you can use to adjust it, and it's an easy installation. All you guys need to do is press firmly and pull down. You might need two hands to do it, so give me 1 second and I'll be right back. All right, so after you're able to pull this down, you might need two hands, you might not. It depends on each car. Sadly, on mine, it was a little tight, so I had to use both hands. The only other thing that you're gonna need is a 14 millimeter wrench just to get this nut off. And you're also gonna need a free hand. Let's see if I can do this. All right, so all you're gonna need it to do is lock it with this and make sure you grab it firmly with the other hand. Then it can just unscrew like so. Oh, sorry about that. And then it's the easy way to go. All you gotta do is screw it back on with the new one. That'll be this one right here. It just goes screwed in like so. Just make sure you line it up to where that's correct. If it doesn't come lined up correctly from the factory, it's pretty easy to get it where you want it. All you do is unscrew this little cover right here, and it comes with the Allen wrench thing right there. So all you got to do is screw it in, and that will adjust how deep this screw can go. And this is how it looks once it's done. Nice and notchy. It does feel nicer than the stock shifter. So, thanks for watching.